No season stays, no time will halt. Each change in life a lesson taught. So wrap your coat and take the road, for spring awaits where rivers flow.